What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're an entrepreneur, then you know how difficult it can be to find quality targeted leads for your business using traditional methods. But what if I told you there was an easier way to do it using Google Maps? That's right. For a one-time fee of $149 and you get it for life, or the free trial with unlimited tech support. Let's check out Lead Sniper and see how it all works.
All right, guys, so here we are again talking about another Google Maps scraper. Today it's Outscraper, and it's automating your Google Maps data collection, exporting to CSV, Excel, or JSON, that kind of stuff. And you can join for a free tier right here. And this is pretty comprehensive. It is quite detailed, but it's also kind of difficult to use from what I could see. And they do have some pricing plans here that have no monthly fees and that stuff, but you are paying per tier. As you can see, you have the free tier, or $3 for 1,000 records and $1 for 1,000 records. And you do get all these interesting features here, and you might be sitting there with a buddy or your business partner going, well, is this really the most effective way to generate leads with this type of service with Outscraper? And you might be going, well, I don't know, because what is the hidden cost going to be? Is it going to be effective? And you really want to watch how much money that you're investing when you're using a lead scraper, right? And this is the cost calculator. So basically, this is how it breaks down. 10,000 businesses, $28.50, right? Now, why would you use Outscraper? Full coverage, real-time data, lead generation, email and contacts, limitless speed, cloud scraping advantage, that kind of stuff. And they've got over 763 million tasks extracted with a data dictionary. Kind of cool. You can download that right there. And is it legal to scrape data? Yes, it is. API docs, you get that. And there's video tutorials here. And I mean, I think this is okay, but let's check out the pricing so you guys know exactly what you're getting into here. All right, so here we are on the pricing page, and you can see they have the prepaid where you connect a card and receive invoices, or you buy credits up front to generate high quality leads. And that might not be something you're comfortable with. So what if I told you there was a way easier way to do this that's more user friendly, but it's also a one-time fee and you get the software for life? Let me introduce you to Lead Sniper right now. All right, man, it's Lead Sniper, the most powerful Google Maps scraper, and it's going to help you in seconds generate high quality leads, which puts the power into your hands to get these leads very quickly and efficiently. Buy now for $149, get it for life. Get started with the free trial. Free trial, you get the one-time payment, unlimited support, unlimited leads, 24-hour technical support. And I mean, don't you want to be one of those happy customers? They've got over 12,000 of them with all of these awesome statistics that speak for themselves. Right here, you can see it on the screen, how amazing this software is, with super easy to use features that are fast, efficient, and going to save you time and money, because as a business owner, you don't want to be spending all day manually scraping leads and wondering what you're going to do with the rest of your day because you have other things you want to do for your business. This is going to save you time. Super fast, super easy, user-friendly, and very intuitive, okay? And you're also going to get comprehensive data reports. You can see the awesome detail right there that it goes into for each contact lead that you generate, okay? So guys, get Lead Sniper today for the one-time fee, get it for life, or the free trial. That's going to do it for me. All right, guys, so here we are to rock another awesome demonstration of how simple Lead Sniper is and how fast it is, and how you're going to be able to generate thousands of quality leads in just seconds. So let's go. All right, so as you can see, you have the keyword search box. We're going to type in roofers in Toronto, bang, and roofers in Burnaby, bang, and we're going to hit start. Right there, right there. Now watch the software rock its butt off to generate high quality leads for you, literally in seconds. This is amazing how fast this works. You can see it's scraping all these awesome details from Google Maps, very laser targeted, and absolutely seamless and very simple to use. Grab a cup of coffee and watch it flow, man. It is amazing. So you got 1,860 leads there, 1,564 there. Export. Now you can export to a CSV or XLSX file, but you know, it's a lot easier if you just use Google Sheets, because it's right there. If you're already logged into Google, you just go to your download folder right there, open it up, drag and drop right there, over there, drag and drop right there, bang. Look at how fast this is. Click there, and boom. You get the website link, you get the email list, you get the address, you get the contact information for every business that Lead Sniper has just pulled for you, generating high quality leads in just seconds. I absolutely love this software. It's been a godsend for me and my business partner, and I absolutely love it and highly recommend it to you guys today to try out the free trial just to see how effective it is. And if you want to do the one-time fee of $149, you get it for life. Thanks, guys.
Alright guys, so you saw how awesome Lead Sniper works with that incredible demonstration, easy to use, intuitive, and super fast. So get Lead Sniper today for the one-time fee and get it for life, or the free trial with unlimited tech support, and rock that business now.